So for cutting these posts to length, I'm going to be using the Evolution 185 metal cutting saw. It does have a 7 1/4 inch metal cutting carbide tipped blade on here, and it cuts super nice, super clean, and the best thing about it is once you cut it, the parts are cool to the touch, and I'm going to show you that here in just a second. Would you do that with any other saw? I don't think so. So this little Evolution 185 saw is a real lifesaver. I do have the big 14-inch Evo 360 or 380 saw at the shop, and I absolutely love it. But I was at my local welding supply one day, and he's an Evolution dealer, and I was just in there buying some other stuff, and I saw this sitting on the shelf, and I was thinking this would be perfect for my tailgate when I go on these little handrail jobs. It has a maximum cutting of 2 inches, but when I'm doing these handrails, it's either 1.5 inches or 1 inch or 3/4, you know, something like that. So really this has been a lifesaver because it's small. It can fit on my floorboard of my truck when I need to go get it and bring it over, and uses a 7 1/4 inch blade, but it's not the same blade that you would put on a skill saw. The hole is a little bit different, so you have to get these from your dealer or from Evolution. But this is, let me see if it says how many teeth it is. This is a 40-tooth carbide tip blade that's real super nice, and you can see on that cut I just made that they cut really well. There's not a bunch of sparks flying all over the place like you would have if you had like an abrasive saw, or if you were trying to do it with a cutoff wheel on an angle grinder. And the parts, when you're done, they're cool to the touch, which is another good feature, so that you don't burn yourself. But if you're looking for a good job site saw, Evolution 185